Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide like count on Instagram. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and if you want to hide like count on your Instagram, the first thing you're going to do is opening your Instagram profile. So you can tap on this profile button, then you can select a post or several posts that you want to hide the like count. And for example, I'm going to select this post, so we can tap on the post, then we can tap on this three dots button, and you can simply tap on hide like count. Okay, and now the like count has been hidden, but if you want to hide like count of all your posts on Instagram, you can go to the Instagram setting. So you can tap on this three lines button, then you can tap on the settings and privacy, and after that you have to tap on the like and share count, this one. Then simply tap on this button to hide your like count. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide like count on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.